Good day! Today we received yet another product from Tronsmart. So far we have reviewed 3 Tronsmart products and all of them were very good and not disappointing. And I'm pretty sure that this product will also be very good. Anyway, let's start unboxing. It's easy to recognize Tronsmart products thanks to white, blue and orange color schemes. Similarly to other Tronsmart products, you can see visual representation of the product, name of the product, some key features, and on the back full feature list. Well, let's leave earphones for the dessert. Charging case comes with its own USB Type-C cable. Very nice addition, because USB Type-C is the future. Tronsmart decided to put user manual and warranty card in a small little black box, I guess for easy storage. As always, manual is small, unless you open it fully. Then it's quite big, because there are multiple paragraphs in multiple languages. Now let's take a look at the good stuff. Charging case has some weight to it and it doesn't feel cheap. When you put earphones in charging case, it shows how much battery or power is left in the case. Earphones themselves look like AirPods, but of course they have their own distinctive features. These earphones don't have any buttons. Instead, you can control them using touch buttons or sensors. Light indicators on both earphones can help you understand if earphones have paired and connected to your device. Once again, Tronsmart did not disappoint with their product. Sound is balanced and earphones can be used for all types of music. Also, they're comfortable and don't fall out if you have to actively shake your head to avoid talking with people on the streets. Touch buttons are very easy to use. You can even change volume of earphones separately from audio source. For example, your phone volume can be at max, but your earphone volume can be at minimum, to avoid listening to loud nuclear bombs. What I slightly didn't like is that the sound was little bit muffled, I think. But that's because, as I previously mentioned, sound is balanced and meant for all types of music. Another thing that bothered me was unstable connection. For example, if earphones are connected to your phone and your phone is in your pocket, in some cases when your body is not in straight or sitting position, sound will start to randomly disappear. But overall, these earphones are very good, especially for their price. Once again, big thanks to Tronsmart for this opportunity, and also big thanks to you for watching this video. Smash that like and subscribe buttons to support us, and we will see you in the next video. Adios.